Rivian hires Magna Steyr president as COO to fix manufacturing. Frank Klein oversaw Magna Steyr's shift to electric cars, including the first EV made by the contract manufacturer, the Jaguar I-Pace. Now, every time you bring up Magna, I, of course, am interested because it's a very nearby type of thing.
Canadian company.
A lot of people don't know that they do manufacturing of other brands' cars completely.
Yeah.
The complete manufacturing, not just parts for cars, but they also, you can kind of like hire them to build
They know the industry really
your
well.
car for you from the ground up. Like they do the G-Wagons. You see those things everywhere. Yeah, they do the G-Wagons. And obviously the Jaguar I-Pace. And there was the rumor that they were going to do the Apple car as well.
Yep.
And we talked about that on the show many times here. And now apparently Rivian is interested because I guess they hired some top executive from there. Rivian announced the hiring of Magna Steyr's president, Frank Klein, as its chief operations officer starting June 1st, 2022. The executive has been the president of the Austria-based automotive contract manufacturer, which is a subsidiary of Canada's Magna International subsidiary.
Right, yeah. They have a few.
Since July 2020, and head of complete vehicles engineering and manufacturing at the Graz plant since April of 2019. Prior to that, he spent 27 years with Daimler. This is what I was saying earlier about experience.
Yep.
Invaluable experience.
These new car companies, they need to find people like
Like such.
Like such.
People like such. Yeah, because you still got to make a car. It's like you could put all the software in the world. The thing has to move. You got to bolt it together. It's got to be reliable. And there's a lot of people been building cars. I mean, this guy was the head of operations at Mercedes-Benz Vans for 5 years. And then he was a plant manager at Mercedes-Benz Manufacturing in Hungary for 4 more years. Well, I mean, you're going to learn some things doing this. And then you come into Rivian and they say, oh my God.
Yeah.
They say, we can't.
Struggling with.
They're like, we can't even make these things, man. We got all these orders. We put the price. They hated us. We can't deliver. We got 2,000 of them out in the world. And the guy's like, listen, I've been doing this.
You ready?
27 years I've been doing this. You called the right guy.
He's part of the mafia.
I never said that. You said that.
I did.
No, this is an upstanding citizen right here. You understand? Shout out to someone somewhere. So anyway, Rivian gets the guy. Hopefully they fix all their problems. They ship more than like 1,000 cars. And then we can get one over there in the studio. We can put one right there.
Yeah.
And we can jump up and down. We can do jumping jacks.